install this for my friend. And that's a nice spoiler, rear spoiler. Let's see how it's gonna look. Yeah, so I guess once it's installed we'll find out. But it's nice. There you go. And to get rid of the stock one, stock one here, there's a little bit 3M tape here. It's not all around or anything, just a little bit 3M tape here. And there's two nuts over here. Watch out, bro. Let me show them. Yeah, there's a nut over there. You just have to, I mean, literally I use my pliers just to loosen it up. Like I use these pliers just to loosen up, twist it counterclockwise, and then let the rest with the finger. And then there's another one on this side, which is already out. And then there's a few clips that he's working on.
That's a piece on the...
Yeah, it's a pain, yes. That clip you just gotta squeeze together. But it's better if you start on the side, in the corner, and someone helps you out, like pull outwards on this side, so that someone helps you out, like pull this side out. So this way, it stays outside and the clip doesn't go back inside with pressure. And now we just got one more left, and as you can see, there's a little bit 3M tape here. And that's about it, just a little bit. There you go. That's all 3M tape. Just 2 bolts and a few clips. And that's about it, guys. It's pretty easy. Yeah, he's having a hard time there. That's
Almost
it.
got it.
That's how it looks once it's done. This shit is dirty. And now we're gonna use some alcohol pads to clean it up, get rid of the residue, and then apply the aftermarket nice, sexy, aggressive rear spoiler. If you want me to remove the stock spoiler on my 2019 Honda Accord, I'm gonna be able to see this because my rear spoiler is like blending in with this, the edge outside, outwards. So you guys have any ideas, or did anyone do something to like plug these in and it doesn't show at least? And the car is black, mine is black, so this thing will stick out, and then I don't want water going in there. So you guys, if you have any ideas, or if you have done it too and it works well, let me know, because this one I could then take off easily. And yeah, so help me out.